Hi everyone, we're the Lowell Sciencers and this is our STEM group.
So the problem we are trying to solve is how hard it is for deaf people to communicate. And I kind of understand this because I grew up with deaf parents, and when I'm not around to translate for them, they can't really communicate as well with other people that don't know sign language.
So we answered this by making an app that signs for deaf people to people who don't know how to sign.
Yeah, so we use MIT App Inventor 2, and when you type in a word, for instance, we use cat, you can speak it and then translate it into sign language. So it's easier to communicate with people who are deaf. And here's the actual application we use and the blocks for the coding. And we had to put in all of the sign language images, and we use tutorials to help us with that. And our app is called ASL Communications.
That's our STEM project.
Hi everyone.